Gladstone Healthy Harbour Partnership was established in 2012-13 to report on the health of the Gladstone Harbour. There's 25 organisations involved. They comprise government at all levels, community groups, industry groups and science groups, and they have been established to report back to the public what is actually happening with the health of the harbour.
Some of this is dealing with water quality, of course, but it's things that live in the water, corals and seagrass and mangroves. Fish is really important, so that's assessed, mud crabs. And then turning to the other aspects, the report card includes an assessment of economic factors relevant to the harbour and Gladstone, of the social issues around the community, and the cultural issues, which includes both Indigenous culture and the wider, broader community.
With the help of Central Queensland University, we've been able to do a lot of projects in regards to economics, social, cultural factors, and also environmental factors. What we try and do is produce a report card that looks after those 4 areas with 97 measures to report on those indicators back to the community and government on the health of the harbour. Central Queensland University has played an integral role in that development of the projects, and they also supply the chair of the independent science panel, John Rolfe.
The university's had a long involvement with PSIM, the Port Curtis Integrated Monitoring Program, that helps to identify how the water quality is in the harbour. And then we have researchers like Nicole Flint who are working with mud crabs and fish and doing some of the annual science that informs the health of the harbour.
We've produced 5 report cards since we established the Gladstone Healthy Harbour Partnership, an interim report, and then 4 report cards since then. We're pretty close to getting it really in that operational phase where we're not going to change it too much going forward. And it's a report card that not only we can use, but is also being duplicated along the east coast of Queensland. In the years ahead, there will be a common report card for all of the Queensland Great Barrier Reef areas that we can all look at, compare, and know exactly what's occurring in each area.
The focus of the research project that we've been doing for the Gladstone Healthy Harbour Partnership has been developing a new mud crab indicator. This is a new project that hasn't been attempted before. Mud crabs have previously been suggested as indicators of estuary health in other parts of the world and also in other parts of Australia, but no one's ever developed an indicator that can be consistently monitored through time to provide information relating to the condition of mud crabs in one particular area. In 2018, we're again monitoring mud crabs in Gladstone Harbour, and success for this year will mean we're further developing the indicators and also producing scores and grades again for how well mud crabs are going in Gladstone Harbour.
The research is really important because it's absolutely imperative that the community and the government get one message about the health of the harbour. Throughout the early 2000s, there was mixed messages going to all groups about the health of the harbour. Since we've established doing a report card in 2013, we're now hopefully giving one clear message to all the community about what the health of Gladstone Harbour is. And the projects at Central Queensland Uni have played a key role in that message.